Hello guys, I am going to give a demonstration of Snoring Guardian. So we have a Arduino Nano BLE Sense which is connected to this vibration motor, and we are running a TensorFlow Lite model on this, and we have a microphone on this Nano BLE Sense which is listening for the sound. So the sound can be any noise or snoring sound, so it will distinguish between them. So I'm going to play a snoring sound and let's see if it vibrates. So it is started vibrating. I stopped the sound and then it will stop vibrating. So it is working correctly. Thanks for watching.